The case study of Zway, how Zway changed their business direction entirely on the back of a strategy called framework to IP. Since 2012, Zway has been serving UK and US-based businesses with business process automation technology delivered as a software-as-a-service platform. Competing with huge companies such as Microsoft, Monday.com and Trello was always difficult. Whilst Zway had produced superior solutions and customers agreed, the cost of finding and onboarding new business was extremely high. It was quite normal for Zway competitors to spend $100 on Google Ads just to find one trial user and to require at least 10 trial users to acquire just one paying customer. Because software as a service is paid monthly, the time taken to repay the costs to acquire new business was over 1 year. Large organizations with VC funding can withstand such suicidal customer acquisition strategies. Smaller businesses like Zway could not. The solution was to sell knowledge and experience, not software. Zway looked for a new way to sell its products and developed a framework from all the IP it had developed over the years. The Zway staff have incredible technical skill and experience in complex software deployments, so it knew it had lots of knowledge, IP, and processes it could use to create the framework. Many years of deployment experience were condensed into one unique framework, and that framework, called Deploy, became synonymous with fast and effective deployment of these crucial productivity tools such as CRM. This video outlines the Deploy framework, a comprehensive 6-step process designed to streamline business operations through effective automation. By following the steps of Deploy, define, examine, plan, launch, optimize, and yield, organizations can enhance efficiency and achieve measurable results. Here is a little more information about the steps of Deploy and what the acronym stands for. 1. Define. D is for define. It's about identifying the key challenges and opportunities in our customers' operations. It is not enough to sell the client software such as CRM or project managers. This was old school. We needed to create an environment where our clients trusted us to deliver software that actually solved real-world problems. They had a dream outcome in their heads, and it was our job to define exactly what that was and get it in the agreed plan. 2. Examine. E stands for examine. Here we assess technical needs, deployment options, and feasibility. This step enabled us to reiterate the problems we solve and gain business line agreement to the solutions we proposed. Plan. P stands for plan. Planning and then creating a roadmap for automation tailored to the client's business. Here we stop anyone trying to boil the ocean. We plan real solutions and release each element and test it fully before progressing to the next. Zway already used lean development techniques, so this step was easy for us. Launch. L stands for launch. Here, after all of the planning, we finally implement a pilot program to test and refine the system. Optimize. O stands for optimize. Fine-tuning workflows based on real-world performance and feedback is essential. Yield. Finally, Y stands for yield. Here is the delivery phase. Zway delivers measurable results that enhance efficiency and ROI. Results that yield the dream outcome we agreed on at the very first meeting. Why Deploy works. Deploy ensures clarity, efficiency, and maximum ROI by blending expert guidance with cutting-edge technology. Zway has designed detailed courses, documents, templates, and instructions based around the Deploy framework, and new customers are asking for just that. Zway has promoted the Deploy framework and shown this to be the product, rather than the software as a service being the product. By doing things this way, Zway has repositioned itself as a consulting solution provider and has elevated its standing above the generic software as a service companies in the market. Customers love this approach. Even existing customers came back and repurchased their licenses to start again using the Deploy framework. Results. Zway has been able to change their entire business model from standard monthly SaaS fees to a perpetual license with a setup, deployment and managed services model. The new model has suited the SME market so well that Zway has grown the business tenfold from the original model to today. The art taken to create the frameworks and to develop the creative and educational assets around Deploy has enabled Zway to build this whole strategy into the Zway AMPLIFIES Programme. AMPLIFIES teaches other knowledge-rich organisations, from estate agents to IT, and from consultants to medical education companies, and from accounting companies to trade unions, how to utilise the knowledge they own to create IP they can sell. Zway now enables other IT and knowledge-rich companies to build their own automated business processes and to create frameworks and to increase revenues directly from them. Today, Zway has a unique business selling consulting services that help and educate companies to automate their own business, but also to sell the processes and knowledge they have as a valuable asset. Zway then deploys digital marketing techniques as part of their AMPLIFIES program to tell the world. This information, this course, this process, this framework is all owned by the customer. This protects the IP of the new framework and ensures the only ones that can monetize the new asset is the Zway client. In short, Zway uses AMPLIFIES to teach you to change your business to the point that your knowledge, your processes, your IP make money for your business whilst you sleep. Are you ready to deploy AMPLIFIES? Contact us for a free consultation.